So yung next nating pupuntahan is, I'm sure alam nyo na to, kasi sikat na sikat sila for their ensaymada. And yung backstory, si Chef Vincent Macasa. Hi Vince, may hapon da, may gabi, may aga. Ara subong sa patagaligid-ligid kika namin sa gym po. Anyway, classmate ko siya nung cooking school. So we've known each other for like since puberty actually. And kasama kami sa cooking school, and siya yung in charge sa masarap na ensaymada dito. And meron silang bagong flavor, which is the ube ensaymada. And sabi ng pinsan ko si Dennis, pwede mo rin daw pa grill ang ensaymada. So sakto.
Okay, this one I have never heard. Okay.
So okay, we shall make a U-turn here and go check out this ube ensaymada. Sweet.
Actually from Mallorca.
May hapon.
Original ensaymada
Okay.
from Mallorca. And they don't put cheese on it.
Hello.
Oh, they do.
May ara ka mo bago na ensaymada ang ube? Bago lang gini-deliver?
Maximum yan ni
Ube. Tapos pwede man siya mapainit?
Oo. Pero kung bago siya luto, para sa buong may bago na siya.
Oo, hindi na kilanlan. So it just came from the bake shop, from their commissary. So it's still very warm. It's Ari subangan mo naton. Hindi, ang original pa-grill namon. Sige. Sige, pa-toast ta. Dasun iniya, hindi na namon kinalan. Okay. Bago lang. Pus gusto lang namon tilawan na toast. Oo. Dasun ini, hindi na kinalan. Okay. And one cheese roll. Okay.
This is gonna be grilled. Bafflation.
Okay, we will do a bread test. This is my friend cheese roll.
Not a stress test, the bread sweet as well.
Yes. Brewed coffee, and this is the toasted ensaymada. Toasted ensaymada. So I think we should start with the original one first. Oh, si Vincent. Yung si Vincent, yung sinasabi ko, classmate ko, binigay niya.
Oh.
Vince. Noy. Nunoy blomo. Nunoy blomo. Nagambal, ko bala noy na hindi na. Sige, kung halin sa imo. Anyway, sorry, mga English. Sa diyan na yan, kaya punta mga English. First bite.
It kind of reminds me of brioche.
It is.
Compacts down, super buttery, very custardy. Look at that. You can see it's a bit dry there, but this is super dense. Bit of cheese. Bro, I would have that for breakfast every day.
Here. Dip it in your coffee.
Oh, with the crema?
Okay, yeah, we like to dip our bread in coffee.
Here we go. I'm becoming more Filipino. Percentage by percentage. Dip my ensaymada into the crema. We need the croissant. That's what it's all about.
How is it?
So I'm analyzing the taste and the texture. Really good. Really fluffy. It's almost as if you're eating a cloud as you bite through, but then it becomes chewy and denser as you bite down.
I love how you guys describe it. It sounds so different from how you would always describe it.
Grabe ka kasabi lang nila cloud. Ano pang
It was
sasabihin
like
ko?
a brioche. And okay, what were you about to say, Dave?
Ang sarap. No, it's so moist, sobrang moist. See, they're laughing at me. Come on.
He's regressing.
Okay, fine. The saltiness from the cheese is a good balance from the sweet, buttery texture from inside. Yun, I did my best, ha. Ilungguhon tala lang bala. Namit-namit, gid. Kakanami isang cheese, kay kaasin. Dasun katami isang butter. Dasun kanami isang pagluto. Dasun nami kung init. Di ba? Kung galing oven, mas masarap talaga kainin yung bread na pressure na nakatuloy. Basta namit. Ba't parang hindi ka convinced sa... Masarap nga. Din, ever since suki naman talaga ako ng Felicias eh.
That's true. That's true. Suki talaga.
This is the ensaymada of my childhood. Totoo.
And we always had Felicias in our freezer.
Yes. And
that is
well,
true.
Lahat kong Bacolod vlogs of my childhood, which is true because I grew up here. And yun, I have a box of my childhood. Are you happy?
Very happy. Very happy.
You're lying.
No, I am very happy.
I had to still analyze.
I don't eat a lot of sweets, and I had 2 pieces already.
Hey,
Very
that's a
happy. And
big
we have a
thing.
third one right now.
Oh, wow.
This is my third.
Wait, but we still have cheese roll, okay?
And ube ensaymada.
Ube ensaymada.
This is ube ensaymada. Sige. You know what? I'll take the first bite so that I have a lot to say.
If this is the baseline, then I'm really excited to try some more, honestly.
Okay, look, the ube.
So this one, you didn't heat this anymore?
Because kakarating lang daw, kakaluto lang, 3 o'clock. May laban to. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Wait, so this is a new product?
It's good ube too. Oh my
What
god.
makes it good ube?
The freshness of the ube.
The texture, like, I don't know.
It's like
The scent.
Or the flavor?
Yeah.
the flavor. More of the flavor. It doesn't taste like it's ube essence.
Yes.
Or it's fake ube. It's
Real ube.
it's real ube.
Okay.
And it's beautiful. Masarap siya with the ensaymada. Try it.
Those look really nice.
It's on a different level.
Those look really nice.
So AJ here loves ube.
I do.
And AJ here has a fascination with ensaymada right now.
Well, the smell is sweet buttery. I can see
It's so good.
granules of
It
sugar.
feels like you're eating hopia because of the ube texture. Right?
Oh, that's different than that.
This was a bit saltier as well. I think this one, you have the cheese, but this actually feels like it's got a bit more of like
Sweet,
savory.
sweet and salty.
Yeah.
Camille, give me the camera because I know. Look at Camille. She's not happy anymore. She's drooling.
It's like, how come I don't
But
get
Camille,
to eat?
Cam doesn't really like ube, so this is the
Oh,
real
you can't
This is
eat
the real
this.
test.
You can't eat this. No, Camille. She doesn't like
We need
ube.
the acid test. Yes,
Si Camille kasi daw sabi niya hindi ako mahilig sa ube. So wag ka na
No, wait, I
kain.
want to try it.
Yeah.
It just is small.
There you go.
That's good.
That's
Because
good,
this
right?
passed the cam test.
There you go.
I'm happy then we came here.
Yeah, this is a good baseline.
You see? Be honest.
Huh?
Be honest.
Okay,
Okay.
now let's have bread with cheese. Okay, alright.
I like that it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
And
That makes it sweet.
the balance of the ube, no? Okay pala, no? Sarap.
That was really nice.
And have this is just bread and cheese and sugar. Sorry Vince, kung meron ka pa ibang gindugang daw, hindi na ako kabalo kung ano. Basta kabalo lang kung inyo cheese roll namin. Hi Carl, kamusta? It's actually
You
very
didn't see this. It's pretty good.
yeah. This classic. What are you guys whispering? Okay, this is Camille's favorite bread.
I love cheese bread all the time.
Oh, it's kind of like.
AJ is thinking.
Is that butter inside?
It's the cheese.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of like. I like that. Because you get that saltiness as well.
It's a lot lighter than the other.
Yeah, the dough's a lot
dough.
lighter. Yeah.
So you can probably eat maybe 6 pieces in one sitting.
Chef Vincent Macasa, pastry chef of Felicias, and my classmate, my dear friend. We've gone a long way. And yung ugali ni Vincent sa yung pagkatao niya kumbaga, nagre-reflect sa kanyang pastries. Si Vincent is a very maasikaso, loving, maalaga na tao. And I guess pag kusinero ka, nagta-translate yan sa product mo. Kung ano yung, di ba, aura mo, ano yung cooking style mo, nagre-reflect siya. And doon nanggagaling yung it's very personal yung luto nila dito. And nagre-reflect rin sa upbringing dito sa Negros. Siyempre, matamis. Ano bang tamang mga adjectives? Ano yung word na parang pag bigay tayo yung all out, na pag gusto natin i-impress yung isang tao, like we go to great lengths, parang almost like extravagant, pero hindi yun yung word eh. Pero I guess ganito na lang. Kumbaga hindi tayo yung mga, especially dito sa mga taga Bacolod, mga taga Negros, huwag kami agatipid sa ingredients. Huwag kami ga-compromise. Ma-compromise ta. Kung ma-compromise ta, ang sabor, basi manaog, baka bumaba. And minsan kasi, pag maganda yung product mo at nilagay mo lahat ng mga ingredients, hindi ka nag-cost cut, kailangan rin minsan mag-cost cut. Pero pag, hindi ka tumipid, it's worth it. Ilang years na yung Felicia's? 15 years? Minimum? Anyway, through the years, masarap pa rin talaga ang Felicia's. Walang kupas. Wala gidya palya. Namit gyapon. I'm so proud of my classmate Vincent and my cousin Carla and their other cousins for making Felicia's an institution, a Bacolod brand that you can be very proud of.